One question that comes to mind is, how have recent historical events affected the course of research in organizational psychology? Give an example of an event and the resulting outcome. In regards to industrial organizational psychology, first and foremost, it is the scientific study of human behavior in the workplace. We focus on assessing individual, group, and organizational dynamics that improve the well-being and performance of the organization and its employees. According to Jackson Brett 2014, we have had many historical impacts involving the development of organizational psychology. Some recent historical events that come to mind would be post 9/11. Emergency preparedness was what was developed in response to 9/11. With these plans in place, it allowed a majority of the casualties from being prevented. Therefore, when we have plans in place, we're able to apply that in organizational psychology where other companies can model after. So bottom line, when you're able to have a emergency plan, that was the direct impact from 9/11. Another historical event would be President Obama's second term. This meant that as an organization, our highest level command can be accomplished regardless of race. Therefore, diversity and growth inequality can have precedence in our highest level command, which can be followed by other organizations. As we transition into the information technology age, communication is among one of the biggest historical impacts in developing organizational psychology. With the ability to access emails, websites, and electronic devices and/or services 24 hours a day, we are able to allow major development in how we communicate with people who are in, for example, rural areas, and gain insight along with those in other countries. Which now leads us to our final impact in the historical development of industrial organizational psychology: globalization. As stated by Takeuchi, Wang, and Marinova 2005, as cited in Jackson Brett 2014, organizations with global operations have recognized the challenges associated with employees working in cultures that are vastly different than our own. With that said, it is important to note that globalization, along with communication technology, will increase more innovative products and services to consumers, and that we, as an industrial organizational psychologist, will not be culture bound with this approach in mind.